It's 7:24 a.m. Heading to work from my new place. It's my first time to go to my work from my new place. So it's gonna take me like around 30 minutes by train and 7 minutes walk from the property to the train. It's a beautiful day. See? So quiet. I'm so excited to go to work because I was off for a week last week. Not really off. I was off for 2 days. And then I worked from home for 3 days. So I don't know what's in the office right now. But most of the people there are working from home, so it's no issue. And I had a few teams meeting last week, so there is nothing new with that. Okay, we'll see then.